Good morning, friends. I hope you guys are all having a great week so far. Today is Thursday, April 16th, and I'm going to be showing you two different weather experiments that you can try at home. Are you ready? Hi, friends. For our tornado in a jar experiment, you are going to need a jar with a lid that you can tighten. You are going to need some white vinegar and some clear dish soap or hand soap. And if you want, you can add a little bit of food coloring, and you will need some water. Hi friends, for our tornado in a jar experiment, you are going to start with your empty jar and you are going to fill it almost all the way with water. You want to leave some space at the top though. So about 3/4 of the way was perfect. Then you are going to add about a teaspoon of dish soap and about a teaspoon of vinegar. You're going to put the lid on really tight so that way it doesn't leak. And then you're going to start swirling your jar around. And if you look closely, you're going to create what we call a vortex, which is what a tornado is. You can see the vortex pulling down. How cool is that? Hi friends, for our rain cloud in a jar experiment, you are going to need a glass jar. I prefer one with a wider opening. It seems to work a little bit better, but a small opening one works as well. A can of shaving cream. I got this one from Target for less than $1. Some blue food coloring and a dropper. If you don't have a dropper, you can always use a straw, and you will need some water. Your first step is to make the rain. You're going to add water to a small bowl, and you're going to add a few drops of blue food coloring. And you can use your straw or your dropper to mix that around. And this is how our straws work as droppers. If you were to stick one end right into the water and pull it out, you notice how there's no water really inside. But if you put it in and put your finger over the other end, when you pull it out, you have some water inside. So that is how you will add your water, your raindrops, to your cloud. Now for the cloud part. To make your cloud, you are going to fill your jar a little more than halfway with water. Then you're going to add the shaving cream. Don't forget to shake the can first. You are going to fill your jar with shaving cream all the way up to the top. Then you're going to need your rainwater again. And using your straw or your dropper, you are going to add drops of rainwater to your clouds. The more rain you add, the more rain will fall through your cloud. And this is where you need to be patient. You're going to have to wait for the water to work its way through the cloud to get down to the water below. And if you look closely at the bottom of your cloud, you will notice the rain starting to fall down to the water below.